Hello there and welcome back to this video series on programming for problem solving using C language. After watching this video, you'll be able to understand and use typedef statement to your advantage. It would be very beneficial if you watch video number 50 before going through this video. That will kind of give you a background. With that said, we can say that the only purpose of typedef is to increase the program readability and also perhaps give a short nickname for an existing fundamental data type, or can be used with structure or enum. Careful use of typedef can reduce a lot of typing as shown in subsequent slides. Let us say we have the need for declaring several variables which are of type unsigned long int at different places in a program. Each time you have to use or declare such variables, you have to type these three words unsigned, long and int again and again. It would be very convenient if all these can be grouped and given a short nickname. For example, as given here, like big. Typedef statement given here does exactly that. If you include this line, typedef unsigned long int big in a line, once you do this, later wherever you have to use unsigned long int, you can just use big. You know, this word carries some meaning also. For example, if you say big A, that A is a big number. It is more closer to natural language. Instead of saying unsigned long int A. This is one good use where typedef can be used to give a short nickname to a rather long data type name such as unsigned long int. Okay. Let us see another example of a structure definition using typedef. Let us say you have a database wherein you save the details of persons, like name in 100 characters, gender in 1 character, age, income, and so on, as given by this structure. Then you can give the structure details one name and call it human. Then it would make a lot of sense to read human John. When you say human John, it is equivalent to saying struct details John. Okay. Similarly, you can say human Mary, and then you can assign values. All this makes lot of sense when you use typedef, and it will save lot of typing work also. With that, we'll see one little programming example and then conclude this lesson. Okay, this is the programming example. The name of the program is typedef.c, and you have a structure details as shown here, okay, with 100 characters name, and then 1 character gender, then float age, income int in maybe thousands of rupees per month, something like that. You have given one definition, typedef struct details, and gave it a name human. So next time on, whenever you have to use struct details, you just use human. It is easier and makes more sense also. Similarly, just for the sake of illustration, I gave a definition unsigned long int. There is one unsigned long int. This unsigned long int is given a short nickname big in capital letters. Okay. So whenever you have to declare a variable to be unsigned long int, you can just give big. See, big number. Okay. It's very intuitive also. You can say that big number is very big. Okay. You can define human John. It makes John is a human. Mary is a human. Each of them have name, gender, age, and salary. Once you do this, you can print them or do whatever to run the program. You run the program by gcc typedef and you compile it. And there you go. I think that's all we have for now. Have a great day.